guys, Brandon Thomas, and basically, so my boy FaZe Pack, he's a cool dude, but what happened is he gave me an idea to go to this area that, basically it's filled with, like, woods, and sometimes there's homeless people out there that are, like, really weird, so we're gonna go out there and see if it's, like, gonna be as crazy as, you know, dude said. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go over there right now. But first, leave a like in this video. If I die, guys, just know I love y'all. I love Justin. Just kidding. But, you know, hey, if I die, you guys can have my channel. Just kidding. We need to bring equipment, bro. So I have a little ass flashlight. Bro, but it's actually not gonna, it's really good. Like, look at this shit. With the lights on, you can still see it, like, really well. So, we're gonna bring this, my key so I don't get locked out. I might bring a knife, who knows. Bring black camo, no, black, you know, sweatshirt or something, so like I'm blending in with the darkness. Alright guys, so basically wearing this kind of black hoodie. It's a little bit blue, dark blue, but anyways, I actually have a mask. Where the fuck is it? Did I put it in these pockets? Oh. So I found the mask, okay? Here it is. I think I have it on wrong. Hold up. Let me go look in the mirror. Actually, hold up. That looks pretty sexy, I'm not gonna lie. Alright guys, we're on our way to the like abandoned woods / like railroad track. Maybe my apartment now might be the last time I see it, but we're going, bro. Here we go. Let's get it, bro. Anyways, guys, look at this flashlight, bro. It's kind of good, but like it kind of picks up. Like, see that? It's pretty good actually. I got these shoes on, and we're going to fucking the woods area, and we're gonna go explore this shit. By the way, guys, if you're a girl or guy, no matter what, guys, the coronavirus is out here, so you need to slip in mask, guys. Wait, why did I just say girls or guys? No matter what, if you're a girl or guy, you need the coronavirus mask. What am I saying, bro? I'm sorry, I'm like kind of nervous. That's why I'm like talking bullshit, but what I was gonna say, actually, this is what I was gonna say. If you're not subscribed to me, or yeah, subscribe to me on YouTube, make sure you hit that fucking subscribe button, bro. Cause like I do these videos sometimes, and basically I make crazy ass videos like this, walk into exploring dumb shit. And hope you guys enjoy these videos, guys. If you're not already following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me. I post fire pics every single day. Well, mostly every single day. I'm not Jake Paul up in here every day, bro. But like I do post fire pics sometimes, and I like all you guys' photos. So if you like, I don't really follow you guys back, but I will follow some people back, you know. But you just gotta be active and shit, and that's when I really follow people back, you know. But yeah, go follow the Instagram. Cop that bread. Link in the the full name is in the description. So just cop that bread. Go follow. Dude, it's literally a ghost town, bro. There's really legit. I say, literally, it's a ghost town. 2 police cars pull up. Bad boys, what you want? That's funny how 2 police cars pull up, and then all these cars start coming out of nowhere when I say it's a ghost town. Well, where I'm going is a ghost town, to be honest. This is just a city area. You can definitely just tell. And I'm going underneath this tunnel, which is kind of scary, actually. Alright, guys, so I'm almost there. That is really creepy. Holy, what's like an upside down picture? But like, it's very. This whole place echoes. Like, look at. Subscribe! Oh my god. Okay, that's funny. Alright, so we're almost there. Close. Boop, 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 boop. Brandon Thomas, are you dating anybody? Nope, sure not. I'm a single Pringle. Bro, this is very creepy, dude. This is actually a neighborhood too. I don't know if you can see it. It picks up that well. This is actually a neighborhood, and I'm walking past the neighborhood to get to this woods. It's actually very scary because there's homeless people in here. Bro, I'm sorry, it's so fucking dark right now, but I'm almost there. Okay, guys, so FaZe Pack's house is over there, basically in the middle of the road, and over there, can't really see much, but like, that's where the fucking, you know, like, homeless people are and shit, and weird people. So let's see if I can turn on this flashlight. I'm kind of nervous, dude. Like it might alert my position. Fuck, dude, it's so loud. Bro, I'm so loud. Dude, I'm so loud, dude. This is not good. If I run, if I slip, dude, this is not gonna be good. Alright, I turned the flashlight on. It's gonna drain the battery though. But it's really great out here. Bro, I keep seeing glares. Bro. Oh my god. What the fuck? I'm trying to see if I can see anybody. See any crazy people. Bro, I keep seeing glares over there. Bro, what the fuck, man? I'm gonna turn off this flashlight. It's draining my fucking battery, dude. Holy shit. Holy shit. These games, bro. I'm a fucking. Oh my god, no. Holy shit. Distance, bro. This is not good. Very not good. Oh, bro. If I see somebody right now. Whoever's there, they better show their face, bro. Oh my god. I'm fucking lightheaded, bro. Oh. Bro, I swear I keep hearing noises. Bro, I swear, man. Dude, what the fuck, man? Dude, what the fuck's going on? Oh my. I gotta turn it off. That was really fucking weird. Hold on, I'm trying to. Right, my shit's about to die, but whatever. Dude, turn it on. Wow, what the fuck? Bro, who's there, bro? Alright, fuck, dude, I'm going. I'm running, bro. Running. Running. Fuck. Oh, fucking shit. Fucking bad thing. What the fuck? Dude, I can't do this kind of shit. Oh, man, no. Fuck this, man. Oh, what the heck? Dude, I heard some voice. Get the fuck out. Oh. Bro, this is Emma's, bro. Emma's fucking curious. Oh. Oh my god. Bro. Alright, bro. I'm out of here, bro. I'm gonna cut back to my house, guys. Peace. Woo! Anyways, as you saw, I kind of ran out of there. Walked back to my house, you know, basically the way I came from. It was kind of funny. Cause like, my ass is running. Like, I look so dumb. As you can see, like, if you go back like 30 seconds, I look so dumb running. Oh my god. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe if you liked it. I don't know if I should, and comment if I should make more of these videos, because like, I don't even know, bro. It's kind of scary. So anyways, if you liked the video, follow me on Instagram, cut that bread, and peace.
Oh, before you go, follow that Instagram, cut that bread, get that bread, bro. Follow me and catch that bread, bro.
Peace.